I want my YouTube scraping to be really efficient when I'm in my dashboard. So I've created this Airtable app that lets me scrape videos multiple different ways. All I have to do is take a URL of a channel that I want videos for, and I can click videos and it will get me videos. But maybe I've pasted in 15 different channels. So all I have to do is check the channels for which I want videos, and I can even say how many videos I want per channel, and just click one of these buttons and it will get me all of these videos for all of these channels. So in this video, I'll show you the make automation that gets videos in all these different ways. This is the videos for channel make workflow. It's triggered when we click that videos button, and all we're sending in is the ID of the record that was on the same row as the button that was clicked. So if I clicked this tone and tighten, then this is the row that we're going to read. And it checks to see, was the checkbox checked? If the checkbox is checked on the row where the video button was clicked, then we're going to take one path. And if it was not checked, then we're going to take a different path. So we're going to say it was checked. Then we go to the YouTube channel table and we say, get me all the rows where the process is true, where the box is checked. And then we put that into an array aggregator so that we have all of the rows, all of the channels, all of the requests. We put the requests in a set variable so that we can read it later. But if process is not checked on, it is not equal to true, then we just grab the array of one row from our original request. So that would be this row. And then we set that request array of one request in the requests variable. Out on the third route, then we get the requests. So that's the array of channels that we're going to process, either one channel or all of the checked channels. Now we're going to loop through all of the channels. So for each request, for each channel that's been checked, we're going to see, do we have a URL on that line? So this is the URL. Do we know the YouTube address of the channel that we're going to scrape? As long as we have this URL, we'll continue. But if we don't, then we send an error message back to both the message line on the row that initiated it, which is the parent message, as well as the row that we're currently working on, which is the child message. And in both cases, we say we need a URL. But we do have a URL of the channel, so then we scrape the channel for its videos. And we're using this Apify scraper, and it says, go get me the URL/videos for the quantity of videos requested on the line that has the checkbox checked. So 5 for this one, 6 for this one, whichever row we're on, we'll accept its quantity as the number of videos to return. And then we'll loop through the videos that are returned. So now we have a loop within a loop. We have the videos that we're going to cycle through inside the channel that we're cycling through. So for each video in the array that was returned by the scraper, we're going to get the transcript. And we'll use the streamer's YouTube scraper transcript, and we're passing in the URL of the current video. Then we're checking to see, did we already scrape this video? Because if we did scrape the video, we don't want to create a new record for it. So we're going to the video table and we're checking to see, do we already have the URL of this video in our table? And if we don't, the YouTube video ID does not exist in our table, then we'll create the video. So we're grabbing all of the data from the YouTube video transcript scraper and we're putting it in our video table. We got the likes, the hashtags, the view count, the duration, the title, the transcript. But if we already did scrape this once before, then we will update the current video based on the ID that we just checked for in the video table. Then we'll put a message on the parent channel and the child channel that we've just processed that particular channel. And then when we're done with the entire set of loops for inner and outer loop, for inner for videos and outer for channels, then we'll leave one last message on the parent row that we got this many videos.